Good afternoon, Linda. This is the other Linda, and here I am in your nice, bright course. Looks like you've made a good start on it. So in this little video, I'm going to explain to you how to add a module. And I also noticed a couple of other things that you need to do to your course, so you might as well kill 3 or 4 birds with one stone, right? Since you want to get this in today. Okay, so first of all, let me move my face over here. Here we go. So you're in your course. So this is the this is not the home page. This is the modules. Okay. So one thing is that you want to make the modules visible to students. Do you see where my cursor is right over here? That little thing with the eyeball with a line through it means that students will not be able to see this. So at the end, I'll show you how to make this visible. Okay. So you want to go to plus module. Okay. Click right there. Really easy. Now we're going to call this module, let's see, I don't know, I didn't look to see how many sessions you have. Some people use the word session 3 or they use the word week 3, whatever way you want. I'm just going to make this up. Okay, just say it's chapter 4. Okay, so all I do is click add module. Okay, now it's going to appear down here at the bottom. Okay, there it is right there. But the nice thing about it is that I can just move it up here anywhere I want it. Okay, so you have a session 1, you have a session 2. Okay, and there you move it to where you want it to be. Okay, so you said that Lindsay had created this first module for you. Notice that the title of the module is sort of the overall topic for the week. Now, I don't think that I'm not sure if you want this word overview to be the title of your module or not. Let's just say that you got this wrong and you wanted just to call it session 2, chapter 3. Okay, then you can edit this. Let me get I moved my screen over there. Okay, see those 3 dots there, Linda? I can just click on that and I can edit the title of the module if I want to. Okay? And we'll just leave it the same. But if I wanted to, I could take out the word overview. I'm going to put it back in there. Okay? And we update it. Okay? So, you saw how I added this module here. So again, if you want it to be so that every module is called overview, then I need to go in and edit that one. Okay? So you see how I did that. Again, I just click on the 3 dots and I change the name of the module. Okay? So we're in session 2. So maybe you want to add something to session 2. You see the plus sign there. All you do is click on that. And I think you wanted to add the industry guest speaker gradable discussion assignment to session 2, right? You've organized this really clearly because you have the title session 1 : in front of each task or page or assignment that belongs in that session. So that's a real clear way to do it. Students will understand which assignment goes with which week. Okay, so let me just add that. Okay, so boom, it's right there. So you see it's really easy. Do you have anything else in session 2 that needs to be added? Looks like not yet, but you've got a great start here. All you need to do is just plug these things into, oh wait a minute, that one, right? Week 2. Now, I'm not sure, is that an assignment or what? Let's see. How about if I move that up there? Do you see how I did that? Just move these things around like this. Okay. So, again, I don't know if I put the things in the right place, but I hope that you can see how to do this. Let's do that again, okay? Go up here, plus module, okay? Then we have to give the module a name, like session, I don't know, 6, chapter X overview, okay? And I click add module, And now it's going to appear down here at the bottom. And since I got the wrong chapter in there, I mean, you don't have a chapter X, you can just go in there again and edit it and put in the correct number. I don't know what it'll be. Maybe it'll be chapter 8. Okay? Update your module. Boom. Easy, right? Okay, so let's see. I want to look here. Yeah, that's great. You know, every week, whatever you want to call the module, every module needs a set of learning objectives. So you've got a good start here. Be sure that you put these learning objectives in every weekly module. I'm assuming it's a week, okay? Okay, so then I can just go back to the modules to get back where I started from, okay? Okay, so maybe you want to, yeah, you've got learning objectives in this session too. So let's see, let's do this again. Plus, okay, let's see what you got for chapter 3. Let's start with the chapter 4, and I can put my finger on the control key, Linda, and I can grab onto more than one at a time. Why don't we do that? Okay, see that? Now I let go of the control key, and then I add them, and boom, they're all in there. Okay? So I hope this little video explains how to add a module and how to put things into a module. Another way to do this, Linda, if you want to, is let's just say that you wanted to put in week 3, in session 3, maybe you wanted to add another discussion. So another way to do that would be click on the plus, and I can go here and I can find a discussion. Okay, you don't have a discussion yet, so just put new topic, and we're going to call it session 3 discussion. Okay, and then I can add the item like that. So that's just yet another way to do it. Okay, so then you would go back in here and you could click on the 3 dots to edit the title of the discussion, and then you could click on the discussion itself. You know how to do this. Oh my God, it's got my face in there. You want to take that out. I'm so sorry. To edit it and you know, put in whatever content you wanted. Okay, I think I'm going to delete this, Linda, because you don't want the other Linda's face in there. Your students are going to be too confused. Okay, so let me save this, and I'm going to go up here and delete it. Sorry about that. So I can do 3 dots and delete. Okay, I know you did. You may not want me messing with your course. Just one other thing. Okay, let me move my face over here now. Do you see all these, again, these things with the eyeball and the line over it? That means that students cannot see these, okay? So you want the students to be able to see the modules. But you don't really need them to see the assignments, the quizzes, the discussions, because you're going to put all of those in the modules, okay? So I'm going to do one simple thing, and then you can decide what you want visible to students. But Peter Margolis usually says, don't make so much stuff visible to the students, okay? So the way we can change that is we click on Settings, and we go to Navigation, okay? And that's because all these things on the left side, home, announcements, assignments, this is called the navigation. These are all navigation tools, okay? Links, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the ones that you see on the top here, all this group here in the boxes, are the ones that students can see. The ones down here on the bottom, students cannot see. Okay, so modules is in the C group, okay, but for some reason you can't. They're marked as not visible. Okay, so I want to move those up there. Okay, now students can see the modules. Why don't we move it to the very top, because that's one of the things that students are going to want to see first, okay? Okay, and then I just save. One other thing is that if you're going to use Zoom sessions, you might want to put Zoom up here also, but I'll let you decide that. And also there's a new feature in Canvas, Chat, where if a student is in Canvas and you are also in their Canvas course at the same time, you can talk to that student, or the student can talk to you. So you can decide whether you want to put that in the navigation links that students can see. Okay, you can decide that. Okay, so I'm just going to save. This video is already 10 minutes long. Sorry it's so long. So I'm going to end here and just say, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay.